Hello guys, welcome in Unified IT Solution. Today we are going to discuss how to onboard the manual file into Splunk Index. So manual file nothing like sometimes we required to upload the statics file into Splunk, and there could be a different file, it could be a text file or it could be a CSV file. So today we are going to discuss the text file. Next video I will describe how to upload the lookup file, what are the things that we need to take care before doing uploading into the Splunk. So let's start. So today we have one file into my D drive under this folder, and this is secure file. I'll show you. So this is nothing but a test data that I have downloaded from Splunk. You can also download it. So you see the time of the event is 13th November 2014. It's not recent data, but it is this year of data. So it should be okay. You can upload anything, but that time format should be the correct. When you are uploading, either it will create a problem while uploading. You have to manually write some provision transformation, which is we have not discussed yet. So make sure you have a good formatted data, so it look like it's a formatted data and proper timing timestamp is available in the data. So I'll just close this, and for to upload this we required an index. So let's see, last video, one of the last video, we have see that how I created the index. You, if you don't know how to create the index, you can go through my video and you will be able to create that. So so we created a unified index, and this index will onboard this secure file, and then we'll see how it look like. So first of all, I'll just open the second tab. So from here you can go to the setting, add data. After add data, you see multiple option here: upload file from computer, monitor file port on this Splunk platform, and onboard data from a Splunk forwarder. So these are different type of, you can use to onboard the data manually. So performance means it will take, CPU memory and HTTP scripted data you wanted to monitor from this system, so you can have it. So we'll discuss this in later. And forwarder, that through universal port. So this option also we'll discuss. Today we are going to discuss upload a manual file through from our local laptop or local system where you are using the Splunk, where you open that URL. So once you click on it, it will ask you to choose the location of the file to upload. So I'll just click on select file. Okay, it's already there, like it's going, either you can go to, if you have different location like D drive, then tutorial, and tutorial, the mail, SV, and secure. Once you click on that, it will take few minutes to upload the data. It's depend upon the size of, since I have developer license, so it is just five, I can upload only on 500 MB of data maximum. But if you have enterprise license, you can upload like big size of file here. So file is showing successfully upload. If your file is bigger, maybe it will take 2 to 3 minutes and depend upon the size again. Then click on the next. So this is a very important window, guys. So this will show the preview of your data, how it look like. Issue 13th November 2014, and here also it's come like, it's come month first, then date and the year, and the timing is also matching. If this timing this time does not match, it means there's an issue in the time stamp parsing, or maybe it will highlight the triangle here somewhere. I don't remember, but somewhere it will highlight a yellow triangle, and you can then fix the data, fix the timestamp or event breaker before that. So there are certain condition, I'm not going to discuss, just so I'll give you the overview. So event break, timestamp you can fix. So in, you can go in advance, and you can, so the one more important thing that you have noticed it here, like the timestamp and prefix you can applied here, and look ahead also you can applied, uh, and also you can go to advance and you can apply event line breaker and line breaker, and uh, like date config, character set. So there are different setting that you could apply it on this based on your uh, based on your file format of your data. So this is how it look like, and then it will either you just click on the source type. So the most important thing is source type, and the file name it is showing secure.log here. So either you click on save or either you click on next, so it will ask for the source type. So this is secure data. I just give a source type secure data. So you can give anything according to your data if you are doing production. So make sure you give a meaningful name. Description we don't require. Custom category and database, if you wanted to specify it's a database, it's email data or anything category you wanted to specify, so you will choose. So I'll just give it like I'll just keep it custom. And app, you can choose any app, which app you wanted to store this index data, so you can choose accordingly. Then click on save. Then again there are certain options, the constants value, the regular expression on the path. You wanted to apply the regular expression on this data, anything on constant value, anything you wanted to as it is segment in the path. So these are the segment number you want to define on your data. Or so mostly we'll use the constant value. So so this is the host name, the enterprise server name where our uh, Splunk is installed. So you can change it if you want to change the host value, but it will override it. But I'll keep it as it is. So mostly we keeping as it is. But if you have in your requirement you want to change, you can change it. Index default, it will go into the whatever the default. So mostly it will go to the in the main index. But I don't want to store into main index. I will just click on unified. Okay, now just click on the preview. It will give you the overview what we have, what we are doing, and what are the setting we have select: file name, source type, and the host and the index. So once I will click on it, so it will start ingesting data. So it is saying, because my file is very small, so it didn't take much time. So I just click on start searching. So it searches all my data. So automatically it's taken all the field, because that search was created itself by the Splunk. So source is source log, Mr.Perfect, host, index unified, and source type uh, secure data. So you can adjust this format if you don't look good, because we are specifying index first then source type, that's okay. So the one thing that is, this is a old data, like 20th November of data, right? And today's 20, 24 November. So if I'll select for last 15 minutes of data, might be you don't see anything, because the data is old. So don't be confused in that case. If file is successfully upload, your data should be there. It's mandatory, it must be there, I would say. Only you have to look at the data format. So you click on it, then just try to go beyond the time, try to search last 7 day data, look at the time stamp in your data, go back and look in file timestamp data, and then you start searching. So here are some certain fields created automatically, like date, hours, month, okay, index, Splunk server from where you uploaded it, time startup, okay, time start, uh, time end position, all this field, and you see your data has been uploaded. Like it is saying 3879 records, it is there into your Splunk. Okay, so this is guys how we have uploaded a manual file. If you have any doubt, you can let me know via comment, and I'll definitely try to clear it out. I definitely provide the solution. And uh, this is what we have discussed today. And thank you guys, kindly subscribe, support, like our channel, and thank you so much.